Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find, how you can find the fairy and what it's for, basically, in Grow a Garden. As you can see, the fairy is here, but if you're not able to see it, I usually zoom out of, the map a little bit and kind of, go left and right until I find something like that. So, what the fairy does is that it gives a glimmering mutation randomly to your plant. So, if you see the notification, there's like a fairy somewhere or something, you're just going to get close to it. This is a fairy here, super cute. Then you're just going to interact. Hold on, let me just take a screenshot for my thumbnail. Sorry, let me just do that. And then interact. And then you'll see it's going to go to your garden, and here it's there. It's going to apply the glimmering mutation to a plant randomly. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.